Welcome to another episode of this video on my Arduino Yun, which is an Arduino with embedded Linux connected through network cable, powered by USB and applied with USB storage. Connected to breadboard with electronics and fischertechnik, some mechatronics, and programmed in C, AVR-C. The problem last time was that I unfortunately had lost an overview of the software, so I'm trying once more how to exactly capture the data and the correct data. So how to deal with the buttons, how to deal with these two potmeters, how to deal with transistor circuits, how to deal with RC circuits, etc. I hope to get a bit further and also to get a nice graph again in Octave, because I intend to do it last time, but due to the code problems I didn't get to Octave. Also within Octave I hope to get so far that I can try the Arduino plugin, so I can finally make contact in some way, because so far that part has completely failed. It is supposed to detect Arduinos, but it doesn't. So I hope that the difference between a USB connection and Ethernet connection manages to get it. Anyway, right now it doesn't do anything because I haven't given any data. So clean everything on the USB stick and then say give data. Oscilloscope gives a nice signal right here. Nothing right here. So let's see how I can make that happen. Nothing. LED is blinking. That kind of works, but still doesn't say a thing. This should give, depending on the setting of sensor value 2, which is now, let's say, 400, and I need to see some data, so I have to give input again. Alright, now it's high enough. Then for input 2, input 1 I mean. Okay, that is more than enough, 900. So they should work. But do they? That's the big question. Anyway, time to head to screencast and see how things work out this time. Alright, so once again data gone. Now there will be data, and this is over 9000, over 900, which is over 500, and this is also over 500. So I made a big mistake last time, which means that 2 and 2A are the same. Switch, it is about switch 1 and switch 2 that I have to see, and I changed the code accordingly last time. So this is about right here, switch 1, which is now logged as data 01, which is now, let's see, yeah. So now this these two values are different because data 01 is the switch, and here for switch 2 it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. And switch 2A, well, alright, it is 2, that one, and 2A, sorry, yeah, with the, use the screwdriver. So this is 2A and this is 2, doesn't matter. Actually there are basically, no, this is 2 and 2A. The 2A is because of the wiring, which goes right here because of this cable, this black cable here. That is 2 and 2A, both. So actually data 2 and data 2A doesn't really matter. It is just that they have input 7 and input 8. So I keep them the same for now. Having done that, I still have to find if the data is nice. So once again, let's see. I have to press. Now I do that with both switches once I get there. So this is one, switch 1 is now pressed, and then switch 2 is pressed, and now both are pressed. So now the big question is, how is this being captured? For that I go here, no, okay, and now I have a 1. So, but which one? And I have such an impossible data here, which I have to investigate. So I have 2 here, and 2 says an impossible value, which is input 8. 5397. That is just crazy. So that is still a matter of discussion, but this one, which one is it anyway? And that's the problem right now with the data file. I don't know which one it actually is. So how to find that one out? Alright, so now I have a file with at least a 1. Which one it is, I have no idea, to be frank. I would like to know, but first I'm going to make sure that I can copy things into Octave, or load into Octave. Opening this one, a new terminal window, and copy, no, as CP secure copy from the Arduino Yun mount datalog.txt local password. Yep. Copying right. Okay, so that is one step, or more appropriately step one. Going here. This dates from previous thing with another board, so but I can easily load it. Okay, what will happen now? Okay, so this says it doesn't see any Arduino. It doesn't do it with USB, and now not with network either. Alright, so be it. Then I am going to look for this one. Yes, this is the latest file. No. And after that, I want to have the latest plot that I created, or command for the latest plot anyway, which is then this one. So first quit, no, this is quit. Right, this one, which still doesn't really make sense because the legend is very unclear. Well, which is which exactly? Well, file 1, this is first row columns, first row column, or no, yeah, first row and column 1 to 5, but there are 6, so I may have to adjust this. Let's take a look at everything now. So the first one has indeed 6 elements, and the second one has 6 elements, and then this one has 6 elements. So hint, I need 6 elements, and 1 through 5 is 5 elements. So let's correct this. 6 and 6. Now this is, the blue line is very different. Which reminds me, I don't know which one of you is colorblind, so I need to adapt it. Anyway, this is blue, this one is red. So yeah, that might make a problem. Okay, how to distinguish that? That's a good one. Okay, let's keep this one. yeah, that's a very nice idea. Which brings me back to a problem I had before. How do I make sure that I know which cell is which one, which element is which? And I used to put some text in it, but that was utter failure. So right, let's go. Okay, this is the beginning, this is the end, but I need the beginning. And I don't know what's happening here now. Right, so this is line 1 at 61. At 4010, etc., etc. But if I go here, no. Here I see 1. So I need to remove this file once again and start new. And then press a button or 2. So yeah, data, and going here, press 2 buttons, and releasing them, pressing, releasing. So this should be something like that. So whenever data is over, I should be seeing zeros and ones. But which is which? Okay, now it's over. So I'm going to see here. Question, will I see zeros? And right now I think the answer is no, I do not. So if I look back here, I clearly see that switch 0 and 2, switch 1 and 2 are 0. Then these ones are 0. And let's see, switch 1 is 1. And this one is, yeah, right. By the way, switch 1 is pressed, 2 is not pressed, 2A is pressed. 2A being 8, and no, 2A being 7. Anyway, it's a mess. A complete mess. What I can do is another distinguish. way to distinguish the rows. Make a 7th element to start with, and make that a very different number, 001 and 002. Then I know which row is which. I think that's the best way to do it. Yes. Alright, new attempt. Like I said, a new way to distinguish which is which. Data row 0 is now 4 zeros, and data row 2 is 2 zeros, or 4 zeros with 3 zeros and a 2. I could have switched time. So time would be the first line, and I think actually that is best to do. So I should switch those. So this will be that, and this will be time then. What is wise? First indicate which is which, yes. And then the time. That is best. Alright, so then this will become 002, and this will become time. Very good. Doesn't matter now. The one I have not done yet because the sensor values are above 500, so it doesn't count yet. Which means that I am going to remove this one. Not necessary now. And upload. Go. And then see whatever outcome it will be. I'm very curious. Okay, done. Good. Some data. Also some data. And also here. Some data. And at the same time. Alright, so that is some data. Which is going from where to where? Oh dear, I made a mistake because the 7th isn't taken into account now. Now it is. I have to do it over. Oops. Small mistakes, but shit happens. And at the same time remove this one again. It's done. So nope, no such file. That's good. Password, go, and press the buttons again. And yeah, I'm blocking the view, but I can't do it anyway different right now. So I was pressing these ones again. Hopefully it gets stored in here. Now let's see. Wait a minute. Why am I not looking at 001 or 000? Is that just being truncated to 2? Really? In that case, there's an ouch. This is the first line. And here it starts with 4, 5, 6, etc. This is 1. But which is which? It doesn't show. Oh dear. Now I have here ones and zeros, but I don't see which line is which. Okay, let me do this once again. Octave. Alright. So this figure, okay, can go. New file, definitely a different one. This one, which I do not particularly like. And once again, I cannot see which is which. So I probably made a thinking error somewhere along the way. Although, where? Where have I made a thinking mistake? 0 becomes 0, but 0002. That may become 2, but I don't see any 2 in here. I don't see 2 from line 2. Okay, this is not nice. And I have to rethink again. But time is up. Okay, so new chances, new insights, new attempts, but leaning to what? Not quite sure, but I'm still not satisfied by the way it is shown. How are things being represented? Good question. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. New chances next time. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like, leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. please like and leave a comment. Instagram shows a compilation of pictures I take after taking the video. And you can show your support by making a little donation. You can also show your support by becoming a patron and have your name mentioned on the website as well as in videos, depending on the pledge you make. And this is obviously going to be continued. So thanks for watching and bye bye.